Welcome to Healthcare Plus. Most popular chicken dinner recipes. Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make most popular chicken dinner recipes. Ingredients. 1. 4 bone-in chicken thighs. 2. 1/2 lemon, juiced. 3. 1 large sweet potato, peeled and cubed. 4. 1 medium broccoli head, cut into florets. 5. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 6. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 7. 1 tablespoon honey. 8. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 9. Half a teaspoon salt. 10. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 425 F. 2. In a bowl combine 1 tablespoon olive oil, half of minced garlic, honey. 3. Add the chicken thighs and toss to coat. 4. Transfer the thighs into a baking tray and drizzle with marinade. 5. In the same bowl place the sweet potato, broccoli, remaining minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and _teaspoon salt. 6. Toss to combine. 7. Arrange the veggies around the chicken in a single layer. 8. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, turning halfway through cooking. 9. Drizzle the veggies with lemon juice and serve. If you want to paleo hack cook, please below link in this video descriptions. If you want more about paleo diet plan, please subscribe our channel.